Fiction is organized differently than fiction, right?
Nope.
Yes.
So, nonfiction. Does nonfiction have a character-setting plot?
No.
No. Right? Does nonfiction have a problem and solution?
No.
Does it have a beginning, middle, and end?
No.
So, when we're writing a nonfiction story, think about the reason why. Nonfiction. Why do most nonfiction stories written? What do they want to do? Andrew.
Explain about something.
How can they explain? What do they do? They give us what?
They give us details. Facts. Details. Main idea.
But using what kind of details?
Before.
What?
Before reading.
Okay. Come on.
I want to talk that.
Inform.
Thank you, Tommy. So, they give us facts and information according to Tommy, which is correct. That's what we talked about last class. Now, in order to organize these facts and information, we need to have one fact or information that is the biggest one that we're trying to make the reader understand. What is that called? The biggest piece of information, a fact, that the reader wants us to understand. What is that called? The reader wants Jaden?
Main idea.
Very good.
I was thinking what I said the same group. I think so.
Okay, Jaden, thank you. So the main idea is the big information that the author wants us to understand. The most important idea. Main. Okay. And then, usually, we'll have 3 separate small things down below that help us understand. What are they called? Ryan?
Steel.
Ah, rocket science steel. That's correct. So,
We have 2 points. We have to steal magnets.
so Jaden gets 2 more points.
James.
Gio gets 2 more points.
No one can touch me.
And Christina gets 2 points. And Sheila. Okay, so we have main idea and then we have the key details. Now, how many key details do we usually have? We can have many, hundreds of them. But on average, when we're reading our short articles or these things, how many key details are we looking to add? One,
3.
2,
3.
3. Usually we're looking for 3 main key supporting details. Now, it just happens that in our story, Pedal Power, right?
Yes.
In our story, Pedal Power, we have 3 different sections or areas. At the beginning of each section, we have a, we call a
Heading.
heading. At the beginning of each section, it has a heading. The heading talks about what this part is going to be about, right?
Yes.
What this section is going to be about. So we have 3 different parts for the heading. So the first part we have is, what is energy? Then we have the second part being bicycle-powered energy. And the third one being using bicycle-powered energy. Now, if we have 3 main key details and 3 headings with 3 sections, that means what? Each section should have 1.
One heading.
So this probably has 1 key detail. This probably has 1 key detail. And going back to our story, this also has 1 key detail, right?
Steel.
Yes? Okay, so, Rocket, I want you to give me the key detail about what is energy. Focus on this section. Team Aqua, I want you to use bicycle-powered energy. Find the key detail from this section.
Using bicycle powered energy.
Magma, you're using bicycle-powered energy. I want you to give me the key detail from this section. Okay? I'm going to give you a total of 4 minutes in your groups to get the key detail from each section.
What is... Raise speaker, raise speaker, raise speaker, raise speaker. Thank you, thank you, thank you,
Now, remember, you're going to use your own words and summarize the whole area to give me the key details.
This is teamwork.
That's right. Teamwork, you have to work together.
I need to.
working together?
You said it.
No. We have I can try. One. At least one. This one. At least 30 seconds. Yeah. Teacher, when do I get
Teacher Panda.
Just
Are you finished?
yeah.
You sure? Okay.
Teacher Panda.
That's what this whole part is about? That's what this is about? That's what this is about too? You think so?
Two. Use on the battery. Use on the battery. To run. To use on the battery. Run. That's not the key.
Making energy with who's making energy with bicycles?
Students. To run. We power.
You use bicycle power to do what? What do we use it for?
To fight it.
To get energy. To get energy. No. To use on use on the battery.
Spins the generator. This.
Right here fast. What did it write this? You know this.
Okay, you got about 1 minute left.
Battery. No. We can bicycle power. We can use. It's right.
No, it's not.
We can use bicycle.
Okay, when you hear the buzzer, I want all pencils and pins down. Then we're going to write your key details that you came with on the board.
Because this is exactly the same. Exactly the same. It can't be exactly the same. Here, try. 8, 7, 6.
You do
5, 4, 3.
We are already finished.
0.
Okay, pencils and pins down. Oh, nope, already had. One pencil down, everything done. Now, let's go through our story and look. The first part, what is energy? Rocky, what did you come up with? Jade, should you be swinging it around your back?
Energy is the ability to do work. You can make energy from the sun, wind, and water.
Okay, so okay? Good. The first part, energy is made in many, many different ways, right? That's what they're focusing on. Thank you. Timako, what do we have for bicycle-powered energy? What did you write down?
We could make energy with pedaling a bike.
Who's we?
Students.
Only students?
People.
Thank you. Now, what form of energy do we make when we're made? We make what? What form of energy is that made?
Bicycle energy.
Bicycle powered energy, but in what form? E.
Electricity.
Good. So we make energy in the form of electricity when we're doing, alright? People can make energy. Okay. So what about 3? What do we have, Mangla?
We can use bicycle power to electricity and energy.
What can we use the bicycle power energy to do?
We can
Grace, what?
me. Use to blender or hair dryer.
Good. Can we use it for everything though?
No.
Can we use it for an air conditioner?
No.
Can we use it for a big TV
No.
or refrigerator?
No.
But what can we use it for?
You can use small electricity machine.
Okay. So we can use bicycle power energy to run small. Okay, so let's put these three things together for our key details. Energy is made in different ways. People can make energy with a pedal of life. We can use the bicycle powered energy to run or power small machines, right? So what is our main idea then? We can put all these together. How can we put all of them together? This plus this equals the main idea. So what's the main idea?
Main idea. 6.
China.
We can make energy, electricity energy with bicycle. Still. Too late. Too late.
So we can make energy using bicycles, and is that all of this?
Yeah. No.
Is that this? Is that this part? Did we add in this part too?
No.
No. So let's add in this part then. People can make energy using bicycles, and what?
We can use small machine. Still. Too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. Yeah. Too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. Too late. Rocket is fast.
Okay, so the main idea is what? People can what? Okay, so that's what we're talking about. This is the most important information that the author is trying to teach us, which is, of course, is called the...
Bala bala. Yay! Yay!
Let's try again. Which can be used to what? When we make the energy using bicycles, we could use it to do what?
To power small machines.
And that is called the
Main idea.
main idea. What is the main idea? Who can tell me again in their own words? What is the main idea? What is the main idea? Gio.
People can.
Not this main idea. What does main idea mean? Any main idea. What is main idea?
Main idea is that everything is.
Is everything? So if I'm reading any type of nonfiction text, if I read this story, read another story, any story, and Mr. Samgyeopsal is reading a story about a book, what is the main idea? What is that?
A book.
What does main idea mean? Alicia, what does main idea mean? What does main idea mean? Tommy, what's main idea mean? So that's how we make the main idea, from the key details. You're right. But what does main idea mean? That's how we create it. But what does main idea mean?
How? No.
Good. The most important idea the author is trying to tell us. Thank you. Jill, what is main idea?
The most important idea the author is going to tell us.
Hey, he's trying to tell us what important idea. This is the important idea that he's trying to tell us, right? How do we make the main idea? use the key details. We add up the key details and then we can create the main idea, right?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, any questions about main idea and key details?
No.
We're good so far?
No.
Then, when we look at the main idea and key details, then we can look at them and try and guess the author's
Purpose.
When we get the main idea, key details, then we can determine the author's purpose. What does author's purpose mean? We talked about this last class. What does author's purpose mean? And Sangam Sal is an author. He's going to write a book. What does author's purpose mean?
How authors.
Juno, raise your hand, please. If you want to answer. I'll call on you, but all you have to do is raise your hand. Jaden, what does author's purpose mean?
No.
So you should be listening and paying attention rather than talking to Gio, right, Jaden? Gio, what does author's purpose mean? Did you hear what he said?
Yes.
Say it louder.
Why he's writing a book?
Is that right?
Yes.
Yes, the author's purpose is the reason why. Thank you, Gio. So the reason why he is writing something, right? Now, last class we talked about the three basic author purposes. So, when you find the main idea, you can look at find the author purposes. Now, last class we talked about the three main reasons why author will write something. Who can tell me one of them? Three main reasons why they. Any idea? No? One is to this one. To
Inform. I know. Entertain.
finally somebody remember. To inform.
Entertain.
Tommy has his hand raised quietly, so I'm going to call on Tommy. Tommy. Thank you, Tommy. Okay, Andrew?
Defend.
Inform, entertain, and...
Explain.
So, guys, no, he's correct, because explaining is a form of informing. You can answer a question. We talked about this last class. If you're explaining something,
I know, but
you're describing something. You're informing somebody of something, right? You're answering a question. You're informing somebody of something. If you're explaining something, you're informing. So Andrew's not wrong. That is part of inform that we talked about, right? So there's inform, entertain, and...
What is entertain?
That's a good question. What is entertain?
Detail.
First off, Yuno's got a good question. What does entertain? What does entertain mean? Grace, what does entertain mean? Usually most fiction, the reason why the author is writing it is to entertain. Entertainment. Entertain means what? For Brian?
To make fun. Oh. I raised my hand prior.
And I called on you before previously, right? 2 times at least already today. So, entertainment is for fun. So, inform us, give us information. We can explain, answer, describe. Entertainment is for fun. What's the last one? Gio, you know the last one? You sure? What is it? Not just tell an opinion, but it is about opinion. You're right. Gio is right. He does remember about opinion. That's important. If I want you to agree with my opinion, I'm going to tell you my opinion. I want to make you agree with it. Chen Young?
Make believe.
True. Okay, that's what it is. But what's the word that we talked about last class? Andrew?
Purpose.
Andrew. Alicia, where are you? and you. It's already dead.
Teacher Andrew, he.
Sean, what is it? Thank you.
I said. Still.
Persuade means I want you to agree with my opinion, right? Sean. Good. So the three main reasons we talked about the author's purpose is to inform, entertain, and persuade. So you can inform, entertain, and persuade. Inform means you can
Explain,
answer, or describe. Entertainment is for fun. And persuade means
Telling
make you try to agree with my opinion. Good. So author's purpose is, remember, purpose means the reason
why he's writing this.
why. So, like we used the example, Samyam Sal has to go to the bathroom. Why is he going to the bathroom?
Because he
Raise your hand. What does rule number 3 say, Gio?
Raise your hand.
And then what does it say afterwards? Don't
yell.
yell. Okay. So, why would Mr. Samyam Sal have to go to the bathroom? Tenya.
Because he needs to wash his hands.
Good. My hands are dirty. Great. Excellent. What else? Brian?
Because he on the pool.
Okay. What else? Andrew?
To shower.
Good. What else? Gio?
He wants to pee.
Okay. What else? Okay. These are all reasons why you would have to go to the bathroom. The same as Mr. Samyam Sal, right?
To have a mud bath.
Grab him. That's not bathroom. That's outside, right? Good.
To
Gio?
wash his foot.
To wash my feet? Okay, so that's good. Okay. Good. So these are all reasons. That is the purpose, the reason why, right? Okay. Any questions?
No.
Now, before you go, what are your 3 homework assignments? One is what?
Make a math.
Workbook page 67 to 70. Rewrite your journal and you have to make your mask and bring it to class. Okay? We're going to be having a special fun culture activity class next class, so please do not forget your mask. Everything will be okay, alright? Don't run, walk.
Using bicycle-powered energy. People also exercise on bicycles and produce power.
Okay. Nice. Okay, so we'll see you next class, okay? On Monday? Jaden, your chair. Jaden, you have to get back in line. Okay, so I'll see you next Monday, okay? Go. That's cutting in line. No cutting in line. Go. Gio, if you want to join Jaden, you can go to the back of the line. Thank you.